man accused of raping and murdering a 6-year-old in Soweto is expected back in court for a formal bail application today. Little Amantle Samane's body was found in a shack near her home in Orlando last October. Mozambican national Pethe Simao now faces charges of rape, kidnapping, murder and being in contravention of the Immigration Act in relation to that crime. SABC News reporter Calvin Dludla is watching developments and joins us now inside court. And the last postponement in this case, Calvin, was to allow for the matter to be transferred to the High Court.
Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to our SABC viewers at home. We are now inside courtroom number 10 of the Protea Magistrate Court, where a 24-year-old suspect, that would be Pethe Simao, is expected to appear again in this court. You would understand that he is facing multiple charges ranging from rape and murder of a 6-year-old Amantle Samane. Just to recap for our viewers at home, that happened last year on the 22nd of October 2024, where a manhunt was launched for Simao. You would remember that police launched a 3-day manhunt, and he was arrested in Ezola 1, and he is facing multiple charges. I have engaged an advocate, Ndibuo Masindi, who's representing him, telling SABC News that it is possible, Ayanda, for Simao to walk free, because he is saying that he has identified some loopholes in this case. But let me also introduce the family member. Thank you very much, Mama Sikbingelele Skwamgele endabeni. Siyabona ukuthi njalo nje nihlale nifika lana icala manje sekuthiwa liyathathwa lisuswa la enkantolo yemantshi lihanjiswa ke enkantolo ephakeme. Ingabe nina kunika ithemba yini lokho kwenziwayo?
We are hoping ukuthi lizosheshisa icala liphele. Yes, siyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngamanye ama cases, but we pray ukuthi we find justice in this case, because it's dragging. But njengoba le High Court, we are having hope.
Indaba yokuthi lokho nize enkantolo akunivusela amanxeba aseqala ukuphola.
Yona injalo but iyawavusa amanxeba, especially nakule case yakacwecwe. Umama just lost it when she heard about it, but angeke siphele moya, angeke siphele amandla. We will attend until the last case.
Ithemba kodwa kwezomthetho nakwi-justice yala eSouth African sasenayo, ngoba bakwazile ukumcinga bamthole.
Lona lisasekhona nyana ithemba likapheli lonke. Yes.
Lizosuka icala liye enkantolo, inkantolo eyiphakeme kakhulukazi ijwayele ukuthi idingide noma iqule amacala abucayi. Ungasho yini ukuthi kushuthi ukumuva kwaleli cala mhlambe kuyakhombisa ukuthi umbuso noma istate sithathe leli cala lilithatha serious leli cala elibhekene noSimao?
Yes, kusho khona ukuthi ilithatha serious, because bengeke balimove nje if it was not that serious.
Njani umndeni manje emva kwalesehlo nje niyazama ukukhopha?
We are trying, but umama uyazama noma kunzima kakhulu, because kancane kunama challenges ahlangabezana nawo, and another case yakacwecwe ivele yamvusela ubuhlungu obukhulu ukuthi omunye umntwana futhi she's facing this.
Okay, sibonga kakhulu mama. You would hear a family member explaining Ayanda to SABC News that they do believe that at the end the justice will prevail, and they still have hope that law enforcers will be able to make sure that they win this case. As I have mentioned, that I have engaged the lawyer representing Simao, saying that they know very well that they will be able to crack this case, and that would be Ndibuo Masindi. The only problem, Ayanda, that you are facing now, as you can see now, it's around 9:15. The problem that you are facing here is that there's no electricity in this court, but authorities are still trying to make sure that they solve or they sort that out so that proceedings can start. But if it happens that maybe we still face that problem in an hour or so, we were told that the case might not start today. Maybe it will be given another day, but we are here inside. You can see that my background is a little bit darker, Ayanda, that shows you that lights are off in this courtroom number 10 of the Protea Magistrate Court. But we'll keep on monitoring the situation. But for now, let me just say back to you in studio, Ayanda.
All right, Calvin Dludla, well, talk about a confluence of issues there as we try to wait for this particular case to get underway. But for that update, really appreciate it. That's Calvin Dludla live to us there from the Protea Glen Magistrates Court. Once again, as soon as proceedings start, if in fact these power issues are resolved, we'll try to bring as much of that to you live here on the SABC News Channel.